Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I stretch my hair without heat. So this is like a heatless stretching in cases where I need to make cornrows and some other hairstyles. This helps me to get my hair stretched and easy to work with. So I was just done with my wash day in this particular video, and then I put it in this hairstyle, preparing for the cornrows I was going to make in the next few days. So the first thing I did was to hydrate my hair with the spray. Then I went with my leave-in conditioner, and now I'm going in with my oil. And after using the oil, I'll use my cream. So my product application, I make use of the LOC method. I have a medium porosity hair, and that's what has always worked for me right from the very beginning. So I just lock in the whole moisture and hydration with the cream. And in this video, I made use of Anid natural product. So I went ahead to detangle my hair. It took me some time to detangle the hair, and I made sure I detangle the hair properly to make sure there are no knots. So after that, it is time for me to use my thread. So this is a normal sewing thread, and I doubled it, should I say, like into two, making it four. So I started from the root of my hair. As you can see, I left a bit of space because I don't want this tight at all. And then I went ahead to twirl this around my hair while I left a few gaps in between. So the whole idea is just to stretch the hair. It's not because I want to use this hairstyle for anything in particular. And normally I make this kind of hairstyles, but I make them in like smaller chunks. But because I did not want to take it as a particular hairstyle, I just needed it to stretch my hair. I made it in like bigger chunks. So I think in total I had about, is it 10 or 12 thereabouts on my head. This particular stretching method can actually be used as a hairstyle, as a protective hairstyle. I've not made that in a video on this channel, but I'll try to do that before the year runs out because I'm actually considering making this particular hairstyle again. So, but because I just want to stretch my hair, like I said, I decided to make it in bigger chunks. So you can make this in smaller sizes. You can decide to add beads to the tip, or cowries, or just normal hair accessories, whatever thing you like. You can also decide to just do something very nice with it if you're not a bead lover like I am a bead lover. So at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys how it looked like. I think, was it 5 days later I kept the hair. I think I kept this hair in for 5 days. So at this point, I'm just like trying to trim off the thread at the tip of the hair. So I'm just going to tie it, trim it, and go about your daily activities or whatever thing you have to do. Don't forget to use a satin bonnet before you go to bed, because your hair can get all tangled up if you don't take care of this hairstyle properly. So this is a closer look of how it looks like. As you can see, those gaps in between, I'm sure you can see some particles in my hair. This particular wash day video is going to be out soon. I tried out the awkward detangling pre-pull method for my hair, and well, I'm going to share my review later. I'm going to talk about that later. So days later, this is the way my hair came out to be. My hair came out looking like this, and now you're just going to watch me take this down. If you want to take this down, you have to be very careful at the tip and make sure not to cut your hair, not to trim off your hair. So I suggest you cut out the thread from the middle, and it will be able to it's going to be easy to lose, while some you can actually lose it down from the tip. Just it depends on how you tied it up. So this is how it looks. As you can see, my hair feels stretched, and it was really easy to detangle this hair. All I had to do was just to moisturize it a bit and then go ahead to detangle my hair. As you can see, even my fingers rather, could separate the strands like way easy. Okay, if you detangled your hair properly before putting this in that particular stretching hairstyle, then when you take out the thread, it's going to be easy to work with. And that's why I said take your time to detangle. If you found this video very helpful, please give this video a thumbs up so it can be recommended to other people. Please leave a comment on the next video you would like to see, and most importantly, please do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment. I reply to every single comment you drop down there. So do have a nice day, have a nice week. Bye.